I'm David Reich. I'm a population geneticist. I study patterns of genetic variation and differences amongst human populations around the world, and my big interest is in how people got to be the way they are today, and how the differences amongst human populations came to be the way they are today. What's happened in the last 15 years is genetics has become an extremely powerful type of information. It's as important in terms of the information it can convey about prehistory as archaeology and as linguistics. And it's really emerging as a third way to make inquiries about the past before writing. And I think that that's what I'm interested in learning about, trying to take advantage of that massive new source of information to understand how people are related to each other. In the last few years, there's been the explosion of genome-wide studies of human history based on modern and ancient DNA, and that's been enabled by the technology of genomics and the technology of ancient DNA. Basically, it's a gold rush right now. What's being very clear, and what the archaeologists, who are really scientists, they embrace scientific technology, are realizing is that this is a new way to investigate the past. And I think this is going to be embraced by archaeology, by the humanities, by linguistics as a new way of inquiring into the past. And so in 5 or 10 years, this will be integrated properly into departments of linguistics, and especially into departments of archaeology, as a central way of inquiring into the past. If you are excavating a site and you have skeletal remains of humans or of animals, the DNA will allow you to tell you how the people who inhabited the sites, or the animals who inhabited the sites, or the plants that were raised at the sites relate to those at other sites that have been excavated. It will allow you to tell the sexes of the individuals. It will allow you to tell the family relationships of the individuals, to understand the details of the population relationships of other groups. Archaeologists are very much more scientists than that, even though the archaeology is often embedded in the humanities. Archaeologists, as part of their training, they learn how to interpret radiocarbon dates, they learn how to interpret isotopic information, and they've embraced science. They're desperate to learn about the past with scientific methods.